Welcome to Building Tips with Mr. Rock. We're going to cover a wide range of things, so why don't we look and see what we have to get started. On today's tips and tricks, we're going to talk about windows and doors. So most classic kits will come with a frame. This is a door frame, and then they'll have a window frame. Now these yellow pieces can come in very different colors, just like the frames themselves. So essentially these just pop in and then they open whatever side you put them on. So if you were to install it this way, your windows would open in. This way your windows would open out. So I have a door here, or rather a jail bar set up, and you probably can't tell on here, but there's dots on either side, and that will determine which direction the door opens. So we're going to put it on this way, so when we're looking at our door, it opens up to the left. And yeah, so that's basically it. So the doors themselves are 6 bricks high, and the windows are 3 windows high. So looking back at some of my other videos and things that we were talking about on how to do it, I have some basic walls put together. Like I mentioned before, I don't use all the same colors, so you can see how the overlapping laying of the blocks will help make it stronger. Okay, so I already have a spot here for my door, so we're going to take that door and we're just going to sit it in like so. And then I have a spot right here for my window, and we're going to do that as well. So like I was saying, make sure that you have it to where they open out. If you really want them to have open in, you can, but then that you have to remember how much space you need on the inside when you start to like decorate the inside of your home. So I left this part here empty, and we'll cover that in a different video. So one of the things I wanted to talk about, so like right now we have, this is the same height, right? But this is still wobbly because it's not strong. So I counted the number of studs across, and then I made this little transition piece. And like I mentioned before in the other ones, 3 flat ones, these little plates, these thin ones together equal 1 brick. So we're going to take that, we're just going to sit this down on top of it, so when I push my door, it does not wiggle around. So now how do we address the window, right? So we have a lot of studs in here like this, and I have grabbed a 1x8 plate. It's real skinny, it's real long, it's the width of what we have. And if you notice right here, this is intentionally higher, and I did that because I knew I was going to be using these. So you're going to sit that there, and that will cover across the window. Now your window is secure, it's not going to go anywhere. So I hope you guys found this useful. Keep watching. We're going to have more tips and tricks in the next video.